Hey, my sweet students, and thank you for coming to video 2. It asks us to please watch this video to illustrate and label a teacher with their tools. Then complete the sentence stem. Do you remember those teacher tools? Is an apple a tool? No. Is a pencil a tool? Yes. Let's go look one more time at those tools. Remember the tool tab?
Tools.
Here's the computer. It also said book. It also said movie, picture, charts, and maps. You have to draw one of those tools with your
Jobs in the
teacher
community.
today. After you've drawn a teacher and a tool, you have a sentence to write. So let's get our journals open and let's find a new clean page. I want to see a very detailed teacher on your journal page today. I want to see, is it a girl or a boy teacher? Are they in the classroom or in the library? Do they have a pencil in their hair like I do? Are they wearing necklaces, glasses? Do they have a laptop, a tablet? Show me the details. Journals out. Clean page. Like always, we begin with the date. Give me 5/24/2021. Oop, there it is. And here you're drawing me your teacher. Mine's going to have glasses, but it's a girl. I'm going to start my picture. I hope you're starting yours, but you know I'll add my color details later. Teachers wear a lot of dresses. I like to wear tennis shoes with my dresses. Maybe your teacher's wearing high heels like Miss Hernandez. Teachers all look different, but they're all there to give a good or a service. We'll write in just a minute. Show me what tools your teacher has. I'm going to show a pencil and a tablet. You can do 2 tools. You can have 3 tools. You can even show me the classroom environment where the teacher works. But you must get to the sentence stem. So even if you're not done with your picture, I haven't added my color, pause and let's go start our sentence together. It's here in the yellow box. Read it with me, please. It starts with a teacher provides a blank. Does a teacher give a good or does a teacher give a service? Give is another way to say provides. Let's go start our sentence on our line. We have to begin with a capital letter A. Everybody everywhere got a capital A? A, finger space. T, t, E, A, ch, ch, teacher. Check your word, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R. A teacher, provides. Say it out loud and write the sounds you hear. Provides. Finger, A, blank. You have to fill in the blank. Does a teacher give or provide a good or a service? You will fill in good or service, and you'll have a period on the end. Once you've filled in your sentence stem, good or service, now you're ready for more colored details. You know I love my colorful classroom. You can show me a colorful classroom environment, but make sure you have a date, a teacher, a tool, and a sentence with a capital letter, a period, and a good or service in the blank. Add that color detail. Be proud of your work. You've worked hard, students. And then take a picture to show your teacher. We cannot wait to see how hard you worked today. Do your best, turn it in, and I'll see you tomorrow.